Have you ever wondered how to choose the perfect fish tank? The one that not only enhances the beauty of your room but also provides an ideal habitat for your aquatic friends? Well, if you have, then you're in the right place. Choosing the right fish tank is a blend of art and science, a fusion of aesthetics and functionality. It's about picking a tank that perfectly complements your room's decor, while also ensuring it's a healthy and stimulating environment for your fish. The first factor to consider is the size of the tank. The size of your tank will directly influence the types and quantity of fish you can keep. If you're a beginner, a tank of 20 to 30 gallons might be a good starting point. Larger tanks are generally more stable and easier to maintain, as the water conditions don't change as rapidly as they do in smaller tanks. The second factor is the shape of the tank. While you might be tempted by the novelty of a spherical or hexagonal tank, it's best to stick with a rectangular or square-shaped tank. The reason? These shapes provide the maximum surface area for gas exchange, which is crucial for the health of your fish. Next, let's talk about the material of the tank. Generally, fish tanks are made of either glass or acrylic. Glass tanks are less expensive, more scratch-resistant, and less likely to distort your view of the fish. However, acrylic tanks are lighter, stronger, and more impact-resistant. The fourth factor to consider is the location of the tank. It should be placed in a location where it's easy to maintain, away from direct sunlight to prevent excessive algae growth, and away from heating or air conditioning vents to avoid sudden temperature changes. Another important consideration is the type of fish you plan to keep. Different species of fish require different tank conditions. For example, some fish need a lot of swimming space, while others need places to hide. Some fish prefer a sandy substrate, while others need a rocky environment. Now, don't forget about the equipment. A heater, a filter, a light, and an air pump are generally necessary. The equipment you choose should be appropriate for the size and type of your tank, as well as the species of fish you plan to keep. Lastly, consider the aesthetic aspect. Choose a tank that fits with the decor of your room. The tank, along with its stand, should blend well with your furniture and the overall theme of your room. In conclusion, choosing the perfect fish tank involves a careful consideration of several factors. Start with the size, then think about the shape, the material, and the location. Factor in the type of fish you plan to keep, the equipment you'll need, and finally, how it will fit aesthetically in your room. Remember, the perfect fish tank is not just about looks. It's also about creating a healthy and stimulating environment for your aquatic friends. Happy fish keeping!